Hey everybody, today we're going to talk a little bit about Cutlers Rivets, what they are, how to put them on, how to use them on your knife handle. Stick around. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to stack. We got these hot, these hot pink G10 scales, and we've got a finished blade blank, sharp edge, so we've got it taped off. And then to drill the shaft holes, we're going to put 3 holes there. We'll stack the scales on the back side, line it up where we're going to put it, clamp it, then we'll drill through those holes right there, through the tang, to locate where we're going to put the Cutlers Rivets through there. We'll put our clamps on to hold it in place when we're drilling. Drill our holes in Countersink. Okay, step over and drill these up. We're using a 1, 2, 3 block. 1, 2, 3. Got all kinds of holes, and we just use that as a drilling aid. These 1, 2, 3 blocks are handy for getting your work up away from the clamps. Gives you a little better grip so you don't have to use the flat of the table. Okay, we've got the clamps off, and there's the holes. Now that's going to stack up just like that, and I always mark them. Because if I don't, I'll countersink them the wrong way every time. So now we've got our scales marked. At this point, you would go through and use pin material of any sort, that size, pin it together, clamp it together, finish off the front like you would, and have that front completely finished before you get it on the blade, or you just won't be able to get it finished. So now what we're going to do is, we've got these Cutlers Rivets, and we want to fasten these onto the blade. And we're going to, there's a couple different ways to do this. Sometimes you'll see blades, older knives that just leave those heads proud. We're just going to countersink those a little bit, and just enough to bury them down, and then we can sand and get those smooth all the way. So that's that part there. Now what we're going to do is countersink there, there, and there, both sides, just enough for the diameter of that head. Put the female in there, set the male there, grab the scale, there. See if we can get one started. That's it. They're hammered in. Now they're not exactly flush, but you'll sand some of that off. And fastened it. A little cleanup on that. Fits right in. It's going to look invisible just like a pin, and there's no way these are coming apart. You'd have to drill these apart to get them off. So that's Cutlers Rivets. Visit Knife Dogs, our knife forum. Thanks for your business. Appreciate it.